Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. Alright, let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Bitget Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the More icon and select Send from inside it. Then choose the target crypto that you want to transfer. Once done, switch over to the Binance app and tap on Wallet's tab at the bottom. Now, tap on Deposit and then select Deposit Crypto. Choose the same crypto and its network that you select in Bitget Wallet app, and it will show the QR code as well as the wallet address. As you can see, my account is not verified, that's why it's not showing here. But in your case, it will show here, you just have to copy its wallet address. After that, get back to the Bitget wallet and paste the address you just copied. You can then enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.